Hey fam, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I've been getting this new fluffier brow if you've been interested. So if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and stay tuned. We're going to get into it right now. Okay, so to create these brows, you are going to need 3 items. First is a little brow brush like this. I actually just ordered another one off of Amazon today that came with a spoolie and angled brush, and I think a lash curler for like $7. So I mean, these are really, really affordable. You could probably also maybe find them like in the grocery store. They might have like small brushes or something like that, but this should be hopefully pretty easy to find, at least on Amazon. You will also need the Got2b glued styling gel. This is such a game changer. This product is maybe like $4 or $6. It's not expensive. And then we do have one pricey product, but it's such an all-in-one product that I think it's completely worth it. Many of you may already have this product even that subscribe to BoxyCharm, but this is the iconic London little brow cushion. This product took me forever to really get into, and now that I have, it is the only brow product I ever want to use ever again. Now I have a ton of brow products, so I'm going to be using different brow products until I run out, but I honestly could be happy with these brows, I think, for like the rest of my life. The iconic London brow cushion is special because it has a little liquid brow cushion in there that has 2 different colors. Mine is in the shade medium. This is the Sculpt and Boost eyebrow cushion. So it comes with this awesome little brush, which is the other part of this product that's so incredible. You just fold it down and you've got like a little tool, and you've got an angled brush on the one side, and on the other side you have a spoolie, but this is not just any spoolie. As you can see, this spoolie has some long bristles and short bristles. The short bristles are great for combing your brows, and these long bristles are great for defining your brows. This is such an incredible little tool. So to start, I'm just gonna go ahead and spoolie my brows up just to kind of comb through them. I also have the brows that I have, so that's what I'm accustomed to. So I can only really vouch for this technique on brows like mine. If you have less brows, you may find this technique really helpful, or it may be something that you need to adjust for your brow style, but this is what's been really working for me, and I wanted to share this with you because it's really fast, it's really easy, and I think it turns out great just about every single time. So here we go. So we're gonna start with the Got2b glued styling spiking gel. I got mine from Target. You can probably also get this from Walmart or Amazon, and they might even have their own little Got2b site. So I'm just gonna put a little tiny bit on the back of my hand. You don't need much at all. That's probably way too much. I'm gonna grab my little brow brush, and I'm just gonna dip the edges into the glue, the little gel glue, and I'm going to start brushing this through my brows. And it's gonna look a little thick at first, but you can also use a baby wipe and kind of clean things up. Right now I'm just trying to get my brows to stand up, make them a little bit more wispy, and this will absolutely keep them locked and loaded. I also have the Patrick Ta soap brow stuff. The little soap thing doesn't really like hold up my brows the best, and it's very pricey. I have the clear and the brown. So this little $4 or $6 gel, I think, does a superior job. I've also heard of a pink honey product. I know Make Me Up Miss has been loving that, as well as Robert Welsh. I haven't looked into that product yet, but I have to imagine it works similarly to this styling gel. So now my brows are kind of all sort of glued up. I also use the little comb side in case your brows get a little clumped together. You can always kind of comb through and then rebrush. I just find a tool like this is a little bit more tough and can stand up to the glue a bit better. I wouldn't want to get my spoolie all kind of gunky, but this I can just kind of rinse off in the sink under some warm water, get the gel out, and then just go in for my next application. So now I'm going to reach into the little cushion product with our spoolie and brush tool, and I'm going to tap into the darker side. And basically what I want to do is start this a little further back in my brow. I'm just going to kind of line out the bottom, and we're going to carve this up and shape out the tail. I don't want to go too close to the front of my brow. I want to leave like this little space just so we can make it look a little bit more natural, hopefully. And I'm going to kind of carry that through the tail a little bit, just shaping that out. And then with the short end of the spoolie, I'm going to try to blend that line a little bit before it dries, so we don't have too harsh of a line under our brows, but I just want it to be a little bit more defined. And because we're doing this before makeup, we can clean up anything we need to. So now the special little long end of the spoolie, those like longer bristles, we're gonna dip them into the dark end of the cushion. Just dip those little guys right on in, and then we're going to sweep this to fill in. Like, it is such a great product. Just sweep in to fill in. And mine I've had for a while, so it's drying out a tiny bit, but still pretty decent. And I ordered literally 2 backups after I realized I could finally make my brows look something other than disgusting with a product. I was so excited. And then for the front of my brow, and I'll clean that up a little bit, we're gonna dip into the little angled side, and we're gonna dip into the lighter side of this product. And I'm gonna go to the front of my brow upside down, like that. And I'm going to just go whoop, 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 and just pull that up through the front of my brow. Just boop, 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 boop. Done. And then I'm just gonna clean up this side really quickly. I'm just gonna take a little baby wipe and put it around my finger like this. You just run the baby wipe. You kind of use your little finger as your tool. You can just kind of clean up. And then also around the top. That part went in a little bit heavy. You can just kind of clean it up a little bit. It gives you like that fluffy effect. But it's so easy. Like, that was so easy. And I think it looks really good. But yeah, that is the fluffy brow. How quick and easy is that? I'm thrilled with this product. So if y'all have been looking to create fluffier brows and not sure how to do it or having a hard time, I think this has been the easiest way for me. And I think that looks pretty good, at least for my skill level. Definitely let me know if you guys try this at home. I would love to hear how this works out for you and see if you like this technique as well. I think it's super simple, pretty much fail-proof, and it's so nice to get brows in 2 products. This gel and this little cushion, you're set. Super easy. I was really excited about this new technique and these products I've been using, and I hope that this video could be helpful for you as well if you've been interested in the more fluffy brow technique. Definitely let me know in the comments down below what other brows you're interested in, and I'd love to make those videos for you as well. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I love you all so much, and until the next video,